Okay, now that you've watched the tutorial on mind mapping, this is just another video to help you get started on assignment number 3. So for assignment number 3, we need 2 mind maps. One of the mind mappings is for the 3 principles of deep and lasting learning. So we know that that goes in the center. Okay, and mind mapping is really used as another study strategy tool to take notes. You may not be able to do mind mapping in class while you're taking notes, but it is always recommended that you rewrite your notes within 24 hours. So you might be taking notes in class, and then within 24 hours you can do a mind map of the material to get a bigger picture and grasp of the material that was presented that day. As you can see here, I put PQQ, so this is another study strategy tool that you can use, and it's just to abbreviate what the 3 principles of deep and lasting learning are. So the P is for prior learning, one of the Q's is quality of processing, and the other Q is quantity of processing. So you do want to get in the habit of using a lot of shorthand when you're getting ready for exams and you're taking notes in class. Get in the habit of abbreviating using shorthand notes. So I've started the mind map here for you, and you're going to continue. If we look at quality of processing and you read your textbook, you'll see that it's really about study strategies. So you're going to go ahead and branch off and remember to think about study strategies. For quantity of processing, when you read your textbook, you know that they're really focusing on self-management, okay? And then prior learning, again, read your textbook and you're going to branch off with specific facts about prior learning.